Hello viewers, today I'm going to withdraw from Orangetrade where I have invested almost $80. Um, let's open the site. I'm entering. Okay, let's put username and password and sign in. Here ask for 2FA, enter it and submit. It's redirected to the main page. Yeah, my earning is $14.38, not yet withdrawn. You can see I'm withdrawing $14 with Litecoin because I have invested with Litecoin, withdrawing $14. Here you can add some comment. Kindly process it faster. Alright, let's click request. Okay, ask for TFA and withdrawal request has been successfully set. Withdrawal request has been successfully set. Mail from their site. Withdrawal request has been sent. They just informed. Someone just asked for withdrawal. After some hours, mail from Coinbase. I have received $14 in Litecoin. It takes few hours, and also a mail from their site. Okay, let's open Coinbase. See it, it's pending now. 14.1 cent. Let's go back to the site. Maybe I need to sign in again. Okay, signing in. Here's 2FA code. 38 cents remaining to my balance. $14 withdrawn. Last withdrawal $14. Let's check the history. Withdrawal $14. Litecoin. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel and group. Thanks.